When you're on the road and you need to charge this, you should probably have this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I picked this up. It's a MyCharge Hub. Now, I have used the MyCharge Hubs for a long time because they are awesome, because they have built-in cables and prongs to plug it into an outlet. But this is their latest one. I don't know that it's a brand new, but what I really wanted to check out here is the difference between my existing MyCharge Hub. Now, this one is the MyCharge Hub Turbo. It is over 10,000 milliamp hours, so it's going to have a nice big battery to charge up all of your electronics, from phones to iPads, what have you. But this one will apparently charge 75% faster, which is actually kind of amazing, because I thought my old MyCharge Hub charged my phones pretty quickly. So I am just going to tear into this thing here. As far as I can tell, it looks very similar to my old MyCharge Hub. You can see here the shape is very similar. And in fact, if I hold them the right way here, I think they're using basically the same casing, although this one is silver and this one looks like it's a gunmetal. Even dimensionally, they are pretty much the same. Flip out prongs right here, so you can just plug it into an outlet. That's one of the things that I love about this, is that they will charge up pretty quickly. You can see the little LED indicators right there. They start to flash when it is getting power, and then they will slowly flash from 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 4 when it's fully charged. You have the power button there to start the power. Fold that away so you can carry it. I do like this little curved rounded edge. It feels a little bit like holding a book. It's really comfortable in the hand. And then on this side, as opposed to my older MyCharge Hub, which had a lightning cable, which I was using for my Apple products, but for you Android users out there, it had a micro USB. Now the MyCharge Hub Turbo actually has still a lightning cable that just pops out on this little ribbon right here, so it's always tethered there. But this one is now a USB-C type, so that's really cool, because this is becoming pretty much the standard plug. In fact, this will probably replace Lightning here pretty soon. Now, I want to just hit the button here. You can see those lights go on. It's about 75% charged. So I am actually going to not just unbox this and show it to you, but I have an old iPhone here that is completely dead. It is so dead that when I'm holding down the power button here, I don't even get the little icon that shows the battery needs to be recharged. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to plug it into my old MyCharge Hub for 20 minutes and just see what we get to. And then I'm going to discharge this again, and I'm going to plug it into my MyCharge Hub Turbo for exactly 20 minutes and see what we get to, and we'll take a look at the results. Okay, I actually revised the time on the experiment because 20 minutes just wasn't enough to really get a good charge to the phone, you know, even something that was really registering. So I changed it to 40 minutes. So I have now been charging on my original MyCharge to this older iPhone for 40 minutes, and it is at 36% charged. So I'm going to go ahead and discharge it again and then connect the new MyCharge Turbo. Okay, moment of truth. My 40-minute timer just went off on the Turbo here, so let's just hit it and see what we have here in terms of charge. Wow, 49% charged from flat. So I think it was 36 versus 49. This definitely charges faster. Hey, if you want to pick up the MyCharge Hub Turbo because your devices aren't getting charged fast enough, not only does it have 10,000 milliamp hours, it pushes that power up to your devices pretty quick. Hey, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.